Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making earth paste or a clay toothpaste. The reason why is because I want to have that calcium, magnesium, and clay gives you a lot of those ingredients that you need for your teeth. It also makes them super white. This is not for everyone. Not everyone likes this type of thing. I like it. It's really super easy to make. So Aztec Secret is one of the bentonite clay that I like to use. There's now has the Meridian red clay powder. That's also good. But today we're going to be using the Aztec one. I put this on my faces facials too. So you're always going to take, this is just a super simple thing. Take 1 tablespoon of your bentonite clay. Put it into a plastic or a glass container. Never use metal to stir, to mix, to hold it, because it can destroy the properties, the values in the bentonite clay. Then, so there's your clay in your little Tupperware thing. Now I am using Banyan castor oil. I also like black castor oil, but today we are just using organic pressed, cold pressed. So I never put water in my toothpaste. I add it when I'm brushing my teeth. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the oil. Now you're asking, why are you putting castor oil in there? Castor oil works for a natural whitener for your teeth. It helps with your gums, and it pulls out toxins. Now, of course, I'm using my little famous stir sticks that I always use, and you're just going to be stirring this until it's the consistency that you like. Now, some people, this is just my opinion on things. Some people like to use the castor oil for oil pulling, and that's just using plain castor oil, swishing it in your mouth, and using it almost like a really thick mouthwash. Some people, it makes them gag because it's just way too thick. I don't like to do that. Now, as your earth paste is mixing and gathering its ingredients, the 2 ingredients that you have in here, you can start using some essential oils. Now I'm using peppermint, of course, and but if you don't like the taste of peppermint, you can use wintergreen, you can use cinnamon, any of those things. So, and I like to have mine pretty minty. This is going to thicken as it sits here, and I don't want to put any preservatives in here, so this will last me about a week. And it's quite runny right now, but like I said, it's going to thicken up as it sits on its own, and you can always re-stir it and use it that way. It has calcium in it now. Now it has, magnesium and calcium. This is also, that's all you need. This will last you about a week. There's no preservatives in here, so keep that in mind as you're brushing your teeth. And it's kind of gritty, okay? So when it goes on it doesn't taste or feel like regular toothpaste. It doesn't foam up. It's gonna feel like the clay that they use at the dentist office, that real gritty clay when they're professionally cleaning your teeth. It feels like that. When it's done, you're not gonna have any tartar on your teeth. It's gonna feel like you've been at the dentist. So there we go. Enjoy.